Hello everyone, myself Navjot. Today I'm going to start my presentation on the Sprint 2 as our project name is Solar Energy Efficiency and the company name is Ecom Trade Links and client name is Mr. Hari Krishna Prasad Menta Venkata. In our team there are 5 members including me and the other members are Satnamko, Roma, Tianihu and Fangfi Song. The accomplishment for Sprint 2 is the start date is 24th of December and the end date is 22nd of January, and in between this time I have accomplished the intermediate part of our project as is a Sprint 1. I have discussed about the installation process. Now I will be explain about the panels, like how I set up the panels that produce more energy according to the capacity, and I applied my stream specific knowledge through different ways such as installer point of view, a system manager point of view to determine the requirement to install the solar panels. I have learned many things such as which tilt angle is best for to produce more energy, which type of panels is best for high efficiency, which things or steps should be followed during maintenance of the solar panels. There were many things that could be gonna better, like identifying the right direction to meet with the requirements, choose different thinking way to design the system and fulfill the customer and company requirements. And for this sprint we use 5 user stories, and I use first user story for this sprint 2. As a system manager, I want to deliver solar panels that provide maximum energy according to the capacity. And our questionnaire survey related to this question: which warranty offer you like most the solar company provide when system doesn't produce power as much as the promise? The options are the replacement of the system, the repairment, and the money back guarantee. And the second question is what type of solar system you want to install on your roof. There are three different types of solar panels. The first one is a polycrystalline, monocrystalline, and thin films. Polycrystalline made from the many silicon fragmented, and the monocrystalline made from the single silicon cells, and thin films made from the thin shades. And as if we talk about the high efficiency, then monocrystalline is best for the high efficiency performance. And this is the whole proper setup of the solar system. And our work is not only to set up the solar panels, but also set up the whole things according to the system requirements, like the quality of the battery system, quality of the inverter system, smart meter, power grid, and the loading area of the energy. And through this fishbone diagram I try to define the problem that commonly related to the panels. When panels not properly grounded, there are 4 things that are responsible for this problem. The first one is the equipments, second one is the method, then material and personnel. Under the equipments may be the wrong selection of tools, maybe the wrong measurement, and under the method is the incorrect layout and parts reused. Under material section is a low grade clips used and insufficient clip quantity, and under personnel it's a lack of attention and insufficient training. To maximize the energy of the solar panels, there are 4 requirements. Like firstly, the correct installation process of the solar panels, good maintenance of the whole system, number of panels that are required for the installation, no chance of error during scaffolding, install solar panel mounts, wire the solar panels, install solar inverter, bond solar inverter and solar battery, connect the inverter to the consumer unit, start and test solar panels. Then under the maintenance section of the solar panels, the things that should be on high priorities, the solar panels must be clean, secure and free of defects. No parts have deteriorated, corroded. Vents are free of debris. Switches do not have any defects. Wiring has not been damaged, has not deteriorated. So this is the whole presentation. We just follow these things and think about these things, then these all things will be beneficial for to increase the efficiency of the solar panels. And thanks for watching. Thank you.